Alright, so we've got the car. So right now we're heading to CADIZ. So yeah, enjoy the ride with us and see you in CADIZ. Alright, we've parked over here in CADIZ. The weather looks like very good. No clouds anywhere. It's very easy to go outside just in shorts and a jacket. We've gotten to the end of this promenade, so to say, with a good view of, you know, the city center, I would say. There's also the bridge, like in there. We drove through there. And now we're just walking around the coast, and this is one of the things we saw on the way. So this is probably the city center of CADIZ. There is, well, so much pedestrian space. I mean, you can't really access this by car. I mean, of course you can, but it's going to take you through very narrow streets. So yeah, this is how much we're actually walking. I've already done like 15 kilometers. So we managed to go and swim for a bit. I didn't bring my GoPro with me. Right now we still have got like roughly 3 hours left. Then we'll just bring the car back to the car rental company, and that's going to be, you know, finished. Alright, I guess we didn't have that much time to, you know, record along the way because, well, the sun has already set. There was nothing to be seen, just the highway. But yeah, the car has been returned. I enjoyed the trip very much, and we still have got one day. We'll probably spend it like over here in Sevilla because, well, we didn't really see that much of a city.